Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of paying your YouTube TV bill in 2025. Let's get started. First, let's understand the structure of your YouTube TV bill. It usually includes your subscription charges, any additional purchases, and taxes. Make sure you have your payment methods ready, such as a credit card or PayPal, to ensure a smooth transaction. To access the billing section, open your YouTube app and navigate to your account settings. Then, find the billing option. Always review your billing statement carefully before making a payment to ensure everything is accurate. You can utilize several payment methods like online transactions or mobile payments for convenience. After making the payment, confirm it and make sure to check your email for the receipt. Consider setting up auto pay for your YouTube TV bills for hassle-free payments each month. In case of any payment issues, check your payment method details or contact YouTube support for assistance. To wrap it up, staying organized and informed is key to managing your YouTube subscriptions. Subscribe for more tips.